Now, as stated previously in the slide, there is nothing that is touching the train toward its guide rails. It is all that just floating, kind of hovering above there, and it just has nothing that is suspending it except for that magnetic field. Now we need to discuss the maglev train basic principles. Now, in order for the maglev train to perform properly, it needs to execute all three of these at 100%. Now, these three principles are levitation, propulsion, and lateral guidance. Now, as we discussed about the levitation, that is just getting the train off its guide rail, just being able to kind of hover and float there. The propulsion is the means that the train is going to move. Like, it's using those magnetic forces to just push the train, and the lateral guidance is how it's going to stay center and stay upright rather than bumping into the side rails and having a means to pull it back together and just basically center itself once again. Now, there are two types of maglev trains, and these two perform totally different ways. Our first one we have is our electromagnetic suspension, which is an attractive system. Then we also have our electrodynamic suspension, which is our repulsive system to produce the movement on the cars. Now, what this simply is this is how it's going to move. It's going to start, and just the means of effect that these systems are going to have on the whole process of the mechanisms behind moving that maglev train.